Hello, my name is Mohammad Zaitawi, the CTO of Philadelphia Solar. Philadelphia Solar is a manufacturer of PV modules in the MENA region, and we are exporting for 54 countries around the world. Today, I would like to make an independent review of the SG350HX inverter produced by Sungrow for a high voltage application. High voltage here, the meaning of the high voltage here is 800 volt. It's not more than 1000 volt. And usually it's used to be connected to the medium voltage and high voltage side through transformers, not directly to the national grid of 400 volt or 220. SG350HX inverter produced by Sungrow have a high performance with an efficiency of around 99%. The reliability of this inverter is very high. Even also it's a plug and play. It's the maintenance and spare parts availability is very high. The supporting team is very friendly and could replace any part at no time. Comparing to other inverters, this product is compacted size, and it could be handled by two persons and hanged easily and installed easily. It's IP66, ready for harsh environments. It have a high number of MPPTs. It's 12 to 16. It's upon request, but 12 is the minimum. And this give you a very high flexibility during the design and for various aspects of the orientations of the PV modules. It's very competitive comparing to others, have a high capabilities for the BQ capabilities. Also, if we compare it to the Sinning and Huawei inverters, it's very good. Let's say there is some technical points that Sungrow is beating and the others can beating Sungrow, so it depends on the application that you need. Sungrow inverter have around 12 to 16 strings. Also, if we are talking about the BQ capabilities, it depends on the grid operator. So if you need the BQ curve for a certain, let's say, countries, so sometimes Sungrow will beat and the others also could beat in another aspects of BQ capabilities, the capabilities of the operating at high temperatures, operating temperatures, especially the design temperature. And especially when the employer would like to design at specific design temperature or the grid operator would like that. So that's the points that we would like to differentiate between the inverters, and you should select them accordingly for those points. Here the weaknesses for me, sometimes at high temperature the BQ curve could give a lower performance than other. It's not measurable, but at certain level of megawatts, if you go to 100 200 megawatts, sometimes you will measure it. The pricing is highly competitive comparing to others, but by the end of the day, it depends on the country, it depends on the competitiveness and the size of the project and the appetite to participate at that country. So sometimes the price will beat, and also if you would like to take it with the as an inverter alone or inverter plus skid, this also will affect the pricing. Its standard warranty according to the inverters is 5 years, but it's extendable to another 5 or another 10 to be 15 years. It depends on the cost. The cost of increasing the warranty for Sungrow inverter for 10 years is not very high. In terms of after sales for Sungrow, especially in Jordan, it's very high response, strong team with high capability, friendly team, and they are responding with the right time. My score for SG350HX for installation and usability, 5 of 5. For performance and reliability, also is 5 of 5. Build quality and durability is 5 of 5. Value for money is 4 of 5. And overall satisfaction of 4.5. If SG 350HX is not available for certain application, is not compatible. So we are going also to use thinning inverters. We are going to use Huawei inverters with the same series and size.